What did we do yesterday? Yesterday we did chart of accounts, general ledger, fiscal year, and posting period variant. Yesterday, so everybody has made this chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, account groups. सबने बनाया है? Everybody has made.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. What is chart of accounts? Can anyone tell me? Chart of account is like a master list of all other accounts.
A
Yes.
master list of all GL accounts, general
Right.
ledger accounts.
What is a GL account? Indumati, what is a GL account? Ashutosh, what is a GL account? Okay. Sanika, what is a GL account? Kartiki, what is a GL
It
account?
is basically the separate ledger or like the similar transaction where it has been recorded.
Correct. It's like a separate account. Yes, separate single account. Yes. And many GLs are there inside the chart of accounts. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is fiscal year variant? Wait, I will ask. Yes, Alekya, what is fiscal year variant?
How the financial year structured. In India, April to January. In India, financial year starts from April. April will be the first and January will be the 12th.
April will be the first, March will be
April.
the 12th. Yes, that is the
Okay.
financial year. But what is fiscal year variant for our financial year? For India's financial year, what is the fiscal year variant? Yesterday we did this. It is V3. If you remember V3, yes or no?
Okay. Yes, yeah,
Yes.
Yes.
yeah.
What is mute karo. What is posting period variant?
Sorry, sir. I can't able to hear.
Okay, what is posting period variant? Kartiki,
I
posting period variant क्या है? Okay, posting period variant. We created a posting period variant APP1. Yes or no?
Yes.
And we opened the periods, third period, fourth period, all the 12 periods. We opened it. Yes or no? So that we can do the postings. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let's start with first tolerance group. Tolerance group, document type, field status variant. Okay. What is tolerance group? Okay, let me go here. Can you see a tolerance group? Yes. Let me go to the definition. Tolerance group, document type. What else? Field status variant. Okay. Then written earning account, document splitting. Okay. Alekya, start reading. What is tolerance group?
Tolerance groups purpose control how much a user can post and what differences are allowed during payment process. Example, your company allows user A post documents up to 1 lakh. User B post documents up to 10 lakhs. You create different tolerance groups and assign them to users configuration.
Okay. So purpose क्या
I
है?
can't able to.
Wait. Controls how much a user can post and what differences are allowed during payment processing. Okay. Tolerance group is basically how much a user can post. Now, simple, just simple understanding. Okay. Let's go and execute it so that we can understand it. SPRO. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is SPRO full form? Anybody remembers? SPRO का full form क्या है? SAP Project Reference Object. Yes. SAP Reference IMG is implementation guide. Yes. Now we'll go to financial accounting, global settings, documents, tolerance groups. Can you see tolerance group here? And we can go define tolerance group for employees. Can you see everyone? Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's go in. Now we can create a new tolerance group also. Okay. We can create a tolerance group like what is our company code?
SAN 1.
SAN1.
Yes, so we can take the same tolerance group as well. Yes, we can create different also. We can take one LAP4, QR69 like this we can do. But I am taking SAN1 again so that we remember it easily. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Currency INR. Let's say we are allowed to post only up to 20,000. Okay, we are only allowed to post up to 20,000. We can give a cash discount of let's say 10%. Enter. Yes, we cannot post more than 20,000. So this is for the GL account. This is for second is for vendors and customers. Okay. So we are not allowed to post more than 20,000. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We can increase it also 30,000, 40,000. Let's say one of the employee wants to make a posting for more than 20, he will not be able to do it. Okay. So our transactions for any transaction, it does not go above 20,000. Let's save it. Okay. Save. Now let's go back. SAN1 tolerance group, company code SAN1. Okay. Now assign user tolerance group. You have to go here. What is our user? It is KING. Yes or no? KING. And everybody's user is KING. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And tolerance group is SAN1. Yes. Enter and then save it. Now many people are using KING. Okay. So you can just remove this whenever you want to post. Remove my tolerance group. Enter your tolerance group and continue. Clear? Yes. No.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sanika, can you explain what is tolerance group? Okay. Prasanna, can you explain what is tolerance group?
A defined amount which the user can enter or post.
Post. Correct. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now, yes. Now we'll go to okay document types. Yes. Let's go here. Okay. Same. Can you see below document types? Yes or no? Click here.
Yes, sir.
Define document types. We can go here. Define document types. Yes. Now there are many document types which are important for us. I'll show you. Can you see here? General ledger posting is SA. Vendor invoice posting is KR. Vendor payment is KZ. Customer invoice posting DR, customer payment DZ, assets is AA. You should remember this. Very important from the interview perspective. Clear?
Sir, could you please zoom your sheet little bit, sir?
Sorry, once
It's
again.
very small. Could
Okay.
you please zoom your sheet little bit? Your font is very small. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
General ledger posting SA, vendor invoice posting KR, vendor payment KZ, customer invoice posting DR, customer payment DZ, asset is AA. You can find this sheet in our teaching sheet. Yes, teaching sheet. Then if you go now in the back, you will find it there. Okay. And how to find these now? You have to go to each and every document type, general ledger posting, SA, then KR, KZ, DR, DZ, AA. Let's go to SA. Go to position, click on SA. Can you see SA, document type, GL account document? Yes or no? Click on it. Can you see? Document type SA. Yes or no? Number range is there. Yes or no? All the settings are there. Yes or no, everyone? Clear? Like that, we have KR. KR is vendor invoice. It also has its own settings, own number range. Yes or no? Then like that, we have KZ. Go to position, KZ. Vendor payment. Yes, all settings here. Then we have DR. DR is customer invoice. Yes, all payments here. Yes or no? Then DZ. Yes or no? All document types are here and the settings are there. Yes or no, everyone? Clear? How we will use the document types, I will explain you, okay? When we do the postings. Clear, everyone? Document types क्या होते हैं? Yes? I will just go here. Yes. Okay. Now, Prasanna, can you read document type?
Your document type purpose controls the type of accounting document being created. Example document type SA. This is for general ledger posting. KR for vendor invoice. DR for customer invoice. DZ for customer payment and KZ for vendor payment. Coming
Continue.
to controls, number range. There are three types of controls. First one is number range. Second one is which account type of case can be posted. And the third one is whether negative posting are allowed or not. Example, when MIRO creates a vendor invoice, SAP generates document type KR.
Okay. So, number range, it controls number range, which account types can be posted, whether negative postings are allowed, yes or no. So these are document types. What is the purpose of document type? Controls the type of accounting document created. Clear? We saw the document type and which accounting document type it creates. Yes or no, everyone? Someone say yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then we will go back to now financial, finance. Close this. Let me close this. Yes. We'll go again to SPRO, SAP Reference Family, Financial Accounting. Yes. We'll go to financial. We'll go to we'll go financial accounting, global settings only. Then we'll go to ledgers. Then we'll go to fields. Yes. And from fields, we will go to field status variant. Can you see define field status variant? Click on it. Yes. Now, there are different kinds of field status variants here. Yes. What is a field status variant? Kirtiki, Kirtiki, read field status variant.
Field status variant FSV purpose control which fields appear during posting. A field can be hidden, optional, required, display only. Example, while posting to a GL, cost center field can be mandatory.
Okay. Purpose controls which fields appear during posting. A field can be hidden, optional, required, display only. Yes or no? I think I explained this yesterday also. While posting to GL, cost center can be mandatory, optional, hidden, depending on business requirements. I think I explained to you this. but we can select one field status variant, go to field status groups. Yes, and there are so many other field status groups here. We will be selecting these while creating GL accounts. Yes, and then if you let's say click on G001, if you double click on G001, you can go to general data, double click, and you can see you can make a field suppressed, required, optional. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We can go to G067, general data. Again, we can make suppress, required, optional. Clear enough how to make this, how it controls whether the fields can be seen or hidden. Yes or no, everyone? Clear, eh? Hello. Alekya, Sanika, Prasanna, Kartiki, Indumati, Pragati.
Yes, sir.
Pragati, are you
Yes,
here?
sir.
Pragati, I've given you access, right, to the folder, and you've got received the access,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
All right. Okay.